Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fill animation on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word fill and I'm going to make this really big. Copy and paste that, and on this one I'm going to add in a stroke, but I'm going to add the same color. And I might just make it a little bit thinner. Select the foreground and add in another color. You're going to then right click. You can also add more than one color. So if you selected one of these characters, you can select another color for this one. It's a little bit hard because it's very small, that one. There we go. Right click on this one and then go to mask and select horizontal, and you can do it this way. I'm just going to fill it from like up here. Wait, there we go, from down here to up there. So, okay, maybe before you create a compound clip, make sure the duration is a little bit longer. So, okay, I will then select horizontal and I'm going to feather it out a little bit, and I'm just going to rotate it. Add into the keyframe, and then like right about here, I'm just going to pull it up. It creates this sort of like fill effect, as you can see. Pretty cool. Same goes with the shapes. If you just have this one and you selected a star for it, for instance, and then you are going to just copy and paste it and then replace the clip with it. I'm just going to make it like smaller. Actually, I'm just going to make it the same size, kind of. Then right click, create compound clip, go to mask and select the horizontal one again. And again, I'm just going to feather it out. Add a keyframe here. And kind of like here, I'm going to put this up. And that's pretty much it. Really super easy and simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!